Right, so behind that cladding, there's ply with some studs down it, and obviously the cladding is fixed to the studs. I'm not sure of the spacing at the minute, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to rip the cladding off, and then I'm going to put like a cement board on it, a backer board on it. Then I'm going to do like a thin coat, one coat render system on it. And I think the customer, he just wants to paint it, so I'm just going to leave it like a sponge finish, like a render finish really, and then he can paint it. So we're at Travis Perkins at the minute. Let's go and see, fingers crossed, if they got some of these cement boards, because it's only literally 5 minutes from the job. Right, that's that. I've got 6 sheets of the backer board, and actually do the screws for it as well. So the screws, proper screws for the no more ply backer board, and they've got like a little cut in them, because I don't know if any of you use them. They're right buggers to get you drilled like a screw in. You've got to drill it first with a pilot hole, and they can really blunt your drill bit. So apparently they are the screws for it, and they've got like a little cutting bit on the thing, so you should be able to just whiz them in really. Right, so that is that off of there. Just got a little bit of cleaning up to do around the edges and stuff, but basically it's all solid. It's old, but it's solid, so it all looks pretty good to fix to. Don't think I'll have any problems getting a good fix into that. Just had to set a prop up underneath this trim, because I just screwed the second one on. Noticed it had just sort of rested on it and it was starting to send it down. So I've just put a level on it, make sure it's straight. Just put a prop on it, so let's put that one on again now. Just this last little awkward bit up there, using that system again, which is, I know it's dangerous. Right, so now all that render carrier board is on, it's time for some of this. I'll paint it all with this now. I like this stuff. I always feel like it's, you know, proper belt and braces sort of stuff really. I don't know if you definitely need it, but I always do it. It's never given me any problems back, so why stop a good thing?